his energy. He's got so much.
There you go.
Because otherwise, he's gonna.
Yeah, Paul, mate.
Yeah. Come on, Robert. You're done super.
At least he can stand by himself now. Oh,
Yeah,
pretty
he's
much.
a little bit unstable, but
Come on, Robert. Lead the way. Come on, Robert. We're gonna go back up to the floor. You can do whatever
Grab
you
his
want
tissue.
upstairs.
Grab his tissue.
It's right at the side.
ready?
Come on, Robert. We're gonna go back upstairs. They're coming over.
Ready?
He opened it. He opened it.
They're going upstairs. Yeah. They have the nutrition room.
It's on the right floor.
I'm gonna this next one. I'm gonna turn you around slowly.
Okay.
Okay.
Make it really slow, Robert. Good. Good job.
Oopsie.
Yeah.
It's alright. And
Grab.
How was it? Does it taste as good as you remember?
alright, we're gonna
Take a
turn
little bit, Mark?
Sorry, Marty.
Sorry, you just got ready.
He's dehydrated.
He likes the soda. Right, go. Just go.
Yep.
Good
Good.
job.
I'll go around for a few.